If you're looking to track more than the steps, you need a fitness tracker. You can track your pulse, you can track your oxygen level, you can track your blood pressure, and much more. Let's take a look at this nice, beautiful fitness tracker. The first thing you need to do, and I want to show you this, you need to download the application. And it's pretty simple. This is compatible with the iOS and Android. You need an RQ reader. Just scan it and download and install the application right in the phone. Now, this one particularly comes with 2 bands. The instructions, very simple to follow, done nice and clear. Now, comes with 2 bands. I have the blue one installed, but you have the black one too, or you can have half black and half blue. Pretty simple to charge this device. Right in the back, we have a little arrow. What that means, it means is to charge the device. Very simple. Hold the device like this, pull out, use any USB charger from your phone. Now take a look at the screen. It's going to be this, pretty simple. I'm going to plug it in right there, and it's charging. After an hour full charge, it will last you almost like 2 weeks. Done. Now, you want to install the black one, you can install the black one right there. Simple. You want it this way, same thing. Take this one out and put the other black one. Now, if you look over here, we have the time. We press it. Now, when you move this way, automatic comes on. You see that? Or you can execute it by holding here 1 second. See? We can see the steps. We can track kilometers, calories, spores. So you can track many spores. Sleeping, sleep track, your heart rate, your blood pressure, oxygen levels, messages, a stopwatch, find my phone. So if I press here, it will find my phone, and you can turn it off in the firmware version. That's pretty simple to use, and you can swap screens by moving there. But if you want more control, download the application. It's called, or we see there, What You Pro. And we see here how much battery you have left, and you can control the device. Notifications, you can put Facebook, Twitter, or any notification will show you right over there. You can activate the selfie, exercise, walking, running, cycling, climbing. You activate here, put the start, and it keeps track any sport. Home, we can track the blood pressure, heart rate, sleep. When you wear it at night, it will track your sleep, and even oxygen level and more. So definitely with this, you can track more than the steps.